Let's study the differences between cellular respiration and photosynthesis. So the first point under cellular respiration is, so cellular respiration occurs in all living organisms, and for photosynthesis occurs only in all green plants, algae and in some bacteria. Now let's move on to the second point. So for cellular respiration, the entire process occurs in the mitochondria, and for photosynthesis, the entire process occurs in the chloroplasts. So the third point under cellular respiration is, glucose and oxygen are the reactants of this process, and for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, water and light energy are the reactants of this process. Let's move on to the next point. So for cellular respiration, carbon dioxide, water and energy, that is the ATP, are the byproducts, and for photosynthesis, glucose, oxygen and water are the byproducts. Let's move on to the fifth point under cellular respiration. So cellular respiration undergoes catabolic process, and for photosynthesis undergoes anabolic process. Let's move on to the sixth point. So for cellular respiration, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is liberated out, and for photosynthesis is producing food and capturing energy. Let's move on to the seventh point. So for cellular respiration, food particles are broken down to release energy, and for photosynthesis, in this process, food is synthesized by capturing the energy. Let's move on to the eighth point. So cellular respiration is an exergenic reaction as energy is released, and for photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction as it acquires energy or it requires energy. Now let's move on to the next point. So this process does not require sunlight since cellular respiration occurs all the time, and for photosynthesis, so this process photosynthesis requires sunlight since it occurs only in the presence of sunlight. Now let's move on to the next point. So the 10th point is the reactions for cellular respiration and photosynthesis. This forward reaction where carbon dioxide and water reacts in the presence of solar energy is known as photosynthesis to give glucose and oxygen, and for this is the forward reaction which is for photosynthesis, and the reverse reaction is the cellular respiration in which oxygen and glucose are the reactants which gives water and carbon dioxide as the products. The chemical energy and ATP plus heat are involved for cellular respiration. So these were the differences between cellular respiration and photosynthesis. So let's look at a diagram in order to have clarity between both of these. So this is a chloroplast, this green part is the chloroplast, and this is a mitochondria. So what it is showing is this chloroplast is doing photosynthesis and the products are glucose and oxygen. The input are carbon dioxide and water, and for mitochondria it is the reverse. It is undergoing cellular respiration. The intakes are oxygen, glucose and chemical energy, and the product are carbon dioxide and water. So for photosynthesis, sunlight is necessary, so this diagram is shown here. So these were the differences between cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Thank you.